Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Software Testing. My name is Sanjay Kumar and I'm happy that you're here. Today's video is again all about a community project. And for those of you who are following me on social media know that I'm pretty active on Twitter, Mastodon, LinkedIn and other social networks. And I stumbled up on the post from Sanjay Kumar. I hope I pronounced your name correctly. And he actually posted something, I think it was LinkedIn, about the Testing Daily. I was like, what is the Testing Daily? I was like, okay, this sounds interesting to me. So let's take a look. And I found out that this is quite helpful, and I liked what he has done for the testing community. So I would like to show you what the Testing Daily is all about and how you can make use of it to get the latest update from the testing community, to get inspired by new topics and to gather maybe some new ideas for your testing activities. So let's take a look. So Sanjay Kumar is the founder of the Selectors Hub. So you can see him here right away. He is also providing some products on his plan, so you can also make sure to follow or to check this website. I will make sure to put it down in the video description. But this is not something I would like to talk about. I would like to talk about today about the Testing Daily. So if you go to the testingdaily.info, I will also make sure to put the video description or the link in the video description. You can see this one. You have a curated feed. And it's basically used on RSS feeds, YouTube videos and so forth, and you can find all about software testing topics. So for example, you can see here 10 mistakes you can make while choosing a mobile test automation framework, what are the dangers of mistakes in accounting software, and so forth and so forth. So you see like hot topics from the testing industry or from the testing community. So you can see you can have a feed. You can also do a login. You can sign up. You can create your own feed. Say, okay, what I would like to get more about. So you can rank it up. You can add a bookmark. You can leave a comment and so forth and so forth. On the left hand side, on the Testing Daily, you get popular topics like things you can discover, like Testing Daily, the very first free mobile app especially developed for software testers. We have a video from Nicola here, what to say if someone asks me for test cases, and so forth and so forth. You can see the most upvoted, the best discussions, and your personal bookmarks. The cool thing is, or the things that you can do with it, you can also get it as a free Android phone app or as a free iPhone app, or you can add it to your browser. And if you do that, if you click the button, you have to follow, depending on your browser, some little setup procedure. You can have the Testing Daily as your default new tab web page. So when you hit like the new tab on your browser, you get this view right away in your browser. So you're always up to date with the latest testing news and trends maybe. So I think this is a nice project. It has just started as far as I can see from Sunai, and I think it's a valuable thing to take a look. Take some time and see if this is helpful for you. Since you know that I like to present community-driven topics or projects, what I've done in the past with how others do mobile testing or how other companies do software testing, and so forth and so forth. I always like to give credit to people from the software community and the software testing community in particular. So I would definitely take some time and see if this is helpful for you, the Testing Daily, the testers homepage as Sunay is calling it. And let me know what you think about it. Do you like it? Don't like it? What you don't like about it? Give feedback to him. Share it with us, with the community. And this was today's video already. It was a short one. If you like it, leave me a thumbs up, leave a subscription, and I'm happy that you stayed so long. And thank you and bye-bye.